Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for baked ziti with meat sauce. For this recipe you'll need Italian sausage, ground beef, black olives, fresh basil, dark brown sugar, Italian seasoning, yellow onion, mushrooms, minced garlic, kosher salt, black pepper, crushed red pepper, fire roasted tomato sauce, and crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, chopping the fresh basil, dicing the onions, and boiling the ziti to just before al dente. Once the pasta is done boiling, strain and rinse it to stop the cooking process. Then, in a cast iron skillet or large pan, add the olive oil and saute the onions until they soften. Add the mushrooms and continue cooking until the onions and mushrooms are browning. Now add the garlic and saute for about another minute until fragrant. Next, begin browning the ground beef and Italian sausage with the onion and mushroom mixture. Once the meat is browned, pour in the crushed San Marzano tomatoes and the fire roasted tomato sauce, stirring to distribute the meat, mushroom, and onion mixture evenly. Then stir in the dark brown sugar, basil, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. Remove the skillet from the heat and stir in the black olives. Now, add a layer of meat sauce to the bottom of a 4-quart deep baking dish, followed by a layer of cooked ziti, a thin layer of cottage cheese, then shredded mozzarella and grated parmesan. Repeat these layers until the entire baking dish is full and top it all off with any remaining noodles and cheese. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Lastly, cover the dish and bake for 30 minutes. Once the 30-minute mark is passed, remove the lid and place the baked ziti under the broiler set to low, about 550 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the top is brown to your liking. Let the dish rest for at least 10 minutes before serving and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your baked ziti with meat sauce turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.